Hello children, welcome to class 10th mathematics. Dear children, today I am going to continue the coordinate geometry. It is 7.4 area of triangle. So children, already you know that what is the formula for area of a triangle? That is half into base into height. So let us see, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. That is a geometrical formula, that is area of triangle half into base into height. Let us see in coordinate geometry. See, here it is there is a y coordinate and this is x coordinate. So here it is a, b, c. There are 3 points are there. If the a is x1 y1, their coordinate points x1 y1, and b is their coordinate points x2 y2, and c is the coordinate points of x3 y3. So we have to find out the area of triangle ABC. Let us see what is the formula for area of triangle. See, area of triangle is equal to, similarly area of triangle ABC is equal to, directly I am going to the formula. See, area of triangle ABC is equal to half of x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. So this is the formula. So here it is 1, 2, 3. Carefully observe the numbers. Half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus, so is the middle is 2, after 3 and then 1. So starting with middle term 2, 3, 1, and then again yes, middle term is 3, 1, 2. So this is the formula for area of a triangle. Once again, half of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of a triangle. By using this formula, so we have to find out the area of triangle in the coordinate geometry. Let us see example 11. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 1, minus 1 and minus 4, 6, and the third vertices is minus 3 and minus 5. Let us write the vertices. So what is first one? A of 1, minus 1 and B vertices minus 4, 6 and C vertices minus 3, minus 5. There are minus 3, minus 5. There are 3 coordinates are there. So we have to find out the area of the coordinate points. First one, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 4 6 minus 3 minus 5 1 minus 1. So this is the one another method. Let us see after this. So what is the formula? Here it is. We have to find out x1 y1 x2 y2. This is x3 y3. This is the coordinate points of x1 y1 x2 y2 and the x3. Let us see after the by using the formula. Let us see this method. So area of triangle is equal to half into x1. Here it is x1 is 1 into y2 minus y3. What is y2 is 6 minus y3 is minus 5. So minus into minus 5 is plus 5. So let us see. Then plus this is x2. What is x2 is minus 4. So minus 4 into y3 minus y1. What is y3? Here it is y3 is minus 5. Minus y1. y1 is minus into minus is plus 1. So complete the second process. Again plus x3. What is x3 is minus 3. x3 of y1 minus y2. y1 is minus 1 and y3 is y1 minus y2. y2 is 6 minus 6. So it is equal to half into 1 into 6 plus 5 is 11, plus into minus is minus, minus 4 and plus 1 is what is minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4, minus 4 into minus 4. After that plus minus 3, minus into minus, what is minus 7. So it is equal to half into 1 into 11 is 11, minus into minus is plus, 4 into 4 is 16, plus minus into minus plus 3 into 7 is 21. It is equal to half into 1 plus 6, 7 plus 1 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, it is 48. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So it is equals to 24 square units. Area of the triangle is 24 square units. Let us see the next problem is find the area of triangle formed by the points. They are given points A, B and C. The coordinates of point A is 5, 2 and B is 4, 7 and C is 7, minus 4. We have to find out what is the area of the triangle. So let us write A of 5, 2, B of 4, 7, C of 7, minus 4. I am going to solve another method. So you can solve by using the formula, or so let us see this method. So what is the coordinates of point A is 5, 2. Coordinates of point B is 4, 7. Coordinates points of C is 7, minus 4. So you have to write once again the first coordinates of point 5, 2. That is, you can write again 5, 2. So this is the another method. So alter. So see, you know that half into area is equal to half into see 5 7s are 7 5s are 35. Here the plus is plus. So second one 4 plus into minus is minus, 4 into 4 is 60. Next one 7 2s are 14. So there are both are plus. So plus 14. So first round is completed. Then second 2 4s are 8. Let us see minus. First round is completed and then second round is 2 4s are 8. So you have to write here the minus. 2 4s are 8 and 7 7s are 49 plus 49. So 7 4 5s are 20. That is your minus, here it is minus 20. So the second process is also completed. Let us see. And then see, it is equal to, so both are minus, add minus. Otherwise you can take minus 16 plus 14 is minus 2. So minus 35. So here it is minus 16 plus 14 is minus 2. Minus 49 minus 20 is 8. 49 minus 20 is plus 29. Let us see. It is equal to half into, both are minus, add minus, minus 37 minus 29 plus 8 is 37. Sorry children, here it is plus, this is not a minus, this is plus. So this is also plus because 5 7s are 35 plus this is plus 37. It is 30 plus 35 minus 2 is 33. So let us see. Another next method is Next step is half of here minus 37, here plus 33, minus 37 plus 33, 7 minus 3 is 4, 3 minus 3 is 0, is big number is minus, so here it is minus 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are, it is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is not a, it is not possible to the area. So you have to take 2 plus 2 square unit plus 2 square unit. Its area of a triangle is plus 2 square unit. See, carefully observe the question. Here it is. Since area is measures with cannot be negative, so area we cannot measure negative, so we will take the numerical value minus 2, that is 2. Therefore the area of the triangle is equal to 2 square units. So dear children, carefully observe. You can select any one of the method by using the formula, or you can take the cross multiplication. So this is the another method. Let us see the next problem. Then third problem is the 13th. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points P. 13th problem is point P is given. What is the point P is? Minus 1.5, and the second point is 3. And then point Q is 6 comma minus 2, and point R is minus 3 comma 4. There are 3 points, so we have to find out what is the area of a triangle PQR. Let us see. So again, by using the second step method, that is first one is minus 1.5, 3, 6 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma 4. So this one you have to write once again, minus 1.5, this one is 3. Let us see. Area of triangle is equal to, triangle, what is a triangle? PQR is equal to half into minus into minus. So see, minus into minus plus 1.5 into 2. 1.5 into 2 is 3, because 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. So that is 3. And then 6 4s are 24. So both are plus is 24. See, 3 3s are 9. So plus minus into plus is minus 9. So first cross multiplication is completed. Then so minus bracket 3 6 are 18, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6, 4 into 1.5. So 4 into 1.5, we are the minus 1.5, minus plus into minus is minus, that is 6. 4 into 1.5 is 6. Let us see, here it is. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half into 3 plus 24. What is 3 plus 24 is 27, minus 9. Then again minus 18 plus 6 is 24, minus 6. So then it is equal to half into 27 minus 18 is 9 is 18. Okay, 18 minus 24 minus 6 is also 18. See very carefully, half into 18 minus 18 is 0. 0 into half is also 0 square unit. So the area of the triangle becomes 0. That is not a triangle. That is these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means all points are in straight lines. So point P, this is point Q, and this is point R. So this is not formed a triangle. So this is not a area of a triangle. This is these 3 points are collinear. So let us write. It means, see, if the area of a triangle is 0 square unit, then its vertices will be collinear. Very important, will be collinear. So the area becomes 0. These 3 points are collinear. Very important, collinear. The three points are collinear. This is not the area of a triangle. Let us see. Very important. Next problem is 14th problem. See here the 14th. Find the value of k. The points A, B, C are given. What is the point of A 2, 3, B is 4, K, and C is 6, -3 are collinear. Also they are already given collinear. These 3 points are collinear. Collinear means A, B, C are straight line. So A, B, C are straight line means its area is becomes 0. So we have to the area of triangle is equal to 0. Let us see. What is the first point? A is 2, 3, and then second point B is 4, K, and then point C is 6, -3. So these 3 points are collinear. Let us, what is the area of triangle is equal to 0. Area of triangle is equal to 0. Therefore, let us write the points, that is 2, 3, 4, K, 6, -3, again 2 and 3. See, 2 into K is area of triangle ABC is equal to half into 2K. 2 into K, 2K. 4 into -3, -12. 6 into 3 is plus 80. So first is completed. Second one, 3 4s are minus of 12, and K into 6 is plus 6K, and 3 into -2, -3 into 2 is -6. So second step is also completed. Let us see. It is equal to half into 2K is as it is, 18 plus -12 is plus 6, minus 12 minus 6 is plus 6 plus 6K. 12 minus 6 is 6 plus 6K as it is. Then see, it is equal to half into 2K plus 6, minus into plus is -6, minus into plus is -6, taking the bracket outside. So plus 6 and -6 get cancelled. Here it is equal to half into 2K minus 6K is -4K. So 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are. Therefore it is equal to -2K. So already you know that area of a triangle is 0. So it is equal to 0, 0, 0, because the collinear A, B, C are the collinear. That is, we have to find out the value of K. This -2 become left is divided by -2. It is equal to K. 0 by anything is also 0. That is, 0 is equal to 0. The value of K is 0. The value of K is also 0. This is very important question. You can verify the answer by using the formula. Let us see. This is the formula. Already you know the area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 y2 plus y3 x2 y3 y1. Like this is the formula. So you have to substitute the values of x1 y1 x1 y1 x1 y2 y3 like that. So you have to substitute the values. You will get the answer is 0. That is the area of triangle is 0. Let us see. Next problem is example 15. See, example 15, the if A -5, 7, B -4, -5, and C -1 comma -6, and 4 D is 4 comma 5 and are the vertices of the quadrilateral. Find the area of the quadrilateral. So here it is not a triangle, here given quadrilateral, so we have to first draw a quadrilateral and their vertices. Rough diagram of quadrilateral. Let us see, this is A, B, C, D. So this quadrilateral is can be divided into equal. So here the first triangle and this is the second triangle. So if we get triangle ABD and BCD, so we have to add both triangles. We will get the area of the quadrilateral. Let us see. Here we join B and D. So first we have to find the triangle, area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is, let us see, it is equal to half into, already know that ABD, we can take the coordinate points. A is -5, 7, B is -4, -5, D is 4, 5, A, B, D. So again you have to write once again -5 and this is 7. So write, see, first 5 into 5, minus into minus is plus, 5 into 5 is 25. Second, 4 into 5 is 20, here minus 20. Then third, 4 into 7, both are plus, 4 sevens are 28. So first one is completed, multiplication. Then second one, after, so you have to write the minus and then bracket, 7 4s are 28. So here minus is, plus into minus is minus 28. So 5 4s are 20, plus both are plus 20. So plus into minus is minus, 5 5s are 25, and second process is also completed. Let us see. Half into 25 minus 20 is 5, plus 28 minus 28 minus 20 is minus 8. 28 minus 20 is minus 8, minus 25. Let us see. Half into 28 plus 5 is 33, minus half, both are minus, add minus, that is 33. 25 plus 5 is 30, 33. So minus 33. Next we will get half into 33, minus into minus is plus 33. So both are plus, is add plus, it is equal to half into 66. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, it is equal to 33 square units. Children, here it is small mistake is there. See, minus 5 and 4 minus 20. This is not a plus 20, minus 20. So minus 20, minus 28 and minus 25. So both, all the numbers is minus. So we have to add both, all the things. 28 plus 20 is 48. 48 minus 25 is 73. Minus 73. So this is minus 25. Minus 25. Minus 20. Minus 28 and minus 20. Minus 25 is minus 73. So minus into minus is plus 73. 73 plus 3 is, let us see, here it is, half of 3 plus 3 is 6, 7 plus 3 is 10, that is 106. 2 1s are 2, 2 5 is a 10, 2 3 is a 6, it is equal to 53 square units. So carefully observe the sign. Once again, minus into minus is plus 20, minus 4 into 5 is minus 20, 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28, minus 28, minus 5 into 4 is minus 20, 5 into 5 is minus 25. So here the all the numbers are minus, minus minus minus, so we have to add all the three numbers, that is minus 73. Minus into minus is plus. 73 plus 33 is 106, like that. So let us see the second. Area of triangle BDC. Let us write the coordinates of point B is minus 4 comma minus 5. Second one, D is 4 comma 5, and then C is BDC. BCD. Oh, you can take any numbers. 4 comma 5. BD. C is minus 1 minus 6, and you have to write once again minus 4 minus 5. Let us see the area of triangle BDC is equal to half into 4 into 5 minus 20. Carefully observe the sign. 4 into 6 is minus 24. Minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. First round is completed. Then second, so you have to write the minus. 5 4s are 20, minus 20. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 6 into 4 is 24, that is minus into minus plus 24. Second round is also completed. Let us see. Is equal to half into, here both are minus, so minus 44 plus 5 minus, both are minus 25 plus 24. After the minus 44 plus 5 is, it is equal to half into 39, that is big number is minus 39, again minus 25 plus 24 is minus 1, subtraction 25 minus 24 is 1, big number is minus, so then it is equal to minus 39, minus into minus is plus 1, so 39 plus 1 is, it is equal to half into 39 plus 1 is subtraction 38, big number is minus, so 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2, 2 nines, it is equal to minus 19, so area cannot be taken minus, that is plus 19 square units. So plus 19 square units. So first one is 53 and second one is 19 square. So sum of the triangles, that is quadrilateral. Let us see. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, that is 53 plus 19 is equal to 72 square units. 72 square units is the area of the quadrilateral. The coordinate chapter will already is completed. Let us next class I will send the PDF of the exercise 7.3.